Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
We were chong nong Shangpung koira, we tip kang eki hun chulet, we emle hau nyaus nemerta, the we are runado December arja araso. Kat kamo petip ke bayu ke yurika chulet, we eki hun no wan yung hadu ho benai December arja araso, we hado katem deli wanu, we yop hon we tip let sewan emu. Neliang ngaman yung nagerpat ke yakiwan kiwan ke tip sepang eki hun, we pentip le pon agini number, nru not kenden ruso, nru nya wiar, Naite nru khande not khande so le khande praso wa u khande pran ru le nyau nru nyau khande wa ye le ulai pentip chagi pulen de pentip le wa e ki hun to o jrong san phut arenchi u le sne do wa he por wa yo khat do yo sa u jacket wa ka patlun rong yong